In this video, you will learn how to use Vidiq and Claude for your YouTube channel research. Now, let me show you something. This is one of the channel I owned in 2024. So, if I just go to the view, custom view, and I have selected April 2024 to July 2024. This is 3 months period, and you can see, let me just refresh it again. Now let me show you something that took a lot of hours of research. This is the back-end research that I did for generating that kind of result for my channel. This is the competitor channel details, their links, and the number of videos they have created in the last 10 days, last 30 days, the number of views, their most viewed content that I can, take inspiration from. So these are the kind of research that I did. Than this, I had different hypotheses. As an example, if it generated 1 million views in a, yeah, if it generated 1 million views in a matter of 1 week, that is a good condition to model a one type of account. Secondly, if less than 1,000 videos are available, but this channel has a good number of subscribers, that is a good signal to go for. Less than like it has a 1 million views within 2-3 months for this kind of ASMR video I was looking for. It has a good signal. So there were different hypotheses, and I was also doing research of the channel I can follow or the content I can model. Why I'm showing you this? Because I want you to understand what kind of research and reverse engineering does it take to understand how a channel works, and how you can take the good part and implement for your own channel. Now the situation is different in 2026. You can use Vidiq MCP server with Claude to generate this kind of results because you can get all the data from your competitor channels, from the topic you are searching, from the niche you are in seconds. That's what the video is all about. I will show you three things. First, basic research using Vidiq and Claude. Secondly, how to do multiple computer channels research using these two tools. And thirdly, how to build your own YouTube system for research. Now, without further delay, let's dig in. In this chapter, we will understand how to connect Vidiq to Claude. For this, let's go to the official Vidiq website. Let's go to settings, or you can just directly go to MCP. Here there is an option for Vidiq for Claude. Just let's click on this. Yes. Once you click on this, you'll get this authorization button. Just authorize that and you'll be connected in few seconds. Okay, so this is done. In Vidiq, let me just permit everything. Always allow. Yeah. So I think everything is allowed. Now let's open a new chat. So let's go and click on this plus icon. You'll be able to see Vidiq here. Other than this, there are some pre-made prompts that you'll be able to see you can use for your YouTube channel research, computer research, or any topic related research. As an example, let's say computer breakdown. And it says that enter the channel ID. Let's see what you can take. Okay, let's exact example of this channel. I'm just randomly selecting 2-3 channels here. Maybe this one. Okay. Okay. Once you're on the channel page, one thing you can do is go to view page source, Control F, channel ID, and you'll be able to see the channel ID. This is a unique identifier ID for each channel. It will not be same for two channels. So just copy this, come back to Claude, go to connectors, add from Vidiq, and then just do computer breakdown. Okay, let's go. This is only one channel. Now let me ask some questions like, can you please tell me most viewed videos in the last 30 days for this channel? Just suggest me some outlier videos which this channel also created in the last 30 days. The research is completed now. It has listed 10 topics that the guy created video on with a breakout score. Now the breakout score means the higher it is, it will have higher potential to get most number of views and potential to go viral. So as an example, if I create a video on this topic, Claude replace text field with the free MCP. I am seeing this topic over LinkedIn. I think it's all over the place. You have also heard about this. So the breakout score means higher potential to go viral. And that way you can find out the topic that people will most relate to in this similar niche and you can create video on this. Let's ask few more questions. If you have to find out related channels less than 1000 subscribers and want to suggest a topic that can go viral, which is being used by other small channels, what would that be? Can you recommend me top 3 videos? Now this is gold. This is actually gold. It has listed 3 channels which have less than 1000 subscribers and the view count is actually more than they usually generate. So that means this has potential to be outlier videos if you create a video on. So I hope you are getting my point. This is the outlier strategy that you can do to match demand and supply on YouTube. Okay, let's ask one last question. If you have to compare these 3 topics for a small channel, what would that be? And say, I already have 2000 subscribers in a different niche, but I want to create videos in AI automation niche on the same channel. What would that be? Like, what topics should I go for? Matching the criteria of like high demand and low supply. This is something that you will not get for free. It has monthly searches, competition, overall scores. It has also suggested what topic to go for if you have to choose one of them. Now in the next section, we'll talk about something more advanced. I have analyzed 17 channels in a matter of 30 minutes and I will show you how you can do it too. Let's go. In this section, we'll talk about how to analyze multiple channels. Let's go one by one. So we have already taken example of this channel and we have the channel ID as well. Let's take the example of this channel. Sorry. This one is also there. Same process, go to channel homepage, go to view source and control F, channel ID. You'll be able to see the channel ID here. Okay, so I'm taking 3 channels for example. I can take more, but it will take a lot of time. So you will understand why I'm doing this, why I'm listing all the channel IDs at one place. Let me just copy all of them. Go to Claude, click on this plus icon, go to connectors, go to add from Vidiq and go to competitor breakdown. Here, last time, if you remember, I only added one competitor channel ID. Now I'll add all 3 of them. I think this is done. I have added 3 channels. Please do a complete research of last 30-day views for these 3 channels and give me 3 topic ideas that I can go for a channel having less than 1000 subscribers. See, this is the first channel example that we took. Second one, I think this was the third one. Nixera was third one. Oh, I think it missed the first channel. Let me just go through the Excel. Yeah. Now all the three channels data are added. One thing worth mentioning here is if you are adding multiple channels, what it would do is say I have less than 1,000 subscribers, so it will take reference more from the smaller channels. As an example, Nick has, I think, more than 1 million or nearly 1 million subscribers. It is a very popular channel. He is creating video for a long time now. So, if I compete with him now, that will be not a right way to go to for 1,000 uh, for a channel having less than 1,000 subscribers. But for a channel having say 2,000 subscribers, but it is normally secures 10,000 views. However, for a particular video it got 50,000 views, so Claude will suggest you that video only because it from a small channel's perspective it got a good number of views. I hope you are getting my point. That's why you can create as many channels as you want, and just have a good mix of small channels, medium channels, and large channels. This is the whole idea. Just add the channel IDs all at once. Ask Claude that what videos we should make content on, the outlier videos, and the niche related ideas. I can ask one more question. I have less than 1,000 subscribers. Which content creator should I follow the most? And can you just suggest me two topics that I can go for immediately in the next 3 days? Suggested two topics: Claude in Chrome in a full co-work session, and Claude replaces some paid tool. Apply this twice validated pattern of your own stack. Yeah, that's actually fair. That's actually a very good example of how these videos are working. Like it has taken references of all the creators that I provided. You can further ask something very specific, like I have two topics in mind, and what topic should I go for? Say I want to build a website using AI, and I want to make a tutorial on that. That's video idea one. Secondly, the video idea could be how to create content using N8N. So just rightly ask, and you will be getting answers like if smaller channels are getting views on that. So it is very contextual. It is not something very generic. A big channel can get views on very broad topics, very top of the funnel topics, but a small channel is to make videos on a very demand generated topics. I hope you're getting my point. Let's go to the next section of the video. Okay, so we are almost at the end of this video. You learned how to connect vidIQ with your Claude system. You learned how to use vidIQ for different channels research. And you also learned how to use Claude to use multiple channels at the same time, compare videos, and get outlier videos in seconds. Now, let's have a system. I want you to pay attention here. For your own use case, you need to build a system for YouTube channel research and asking for video ideas or script ideas. So, I have created a skill here for my own use case, which has the prompts like give me topic ideas, give me niche specific research, give me computer channel research, give me ideas that resonate mostly with my own niche. Skill that I have created has all the prompt. This skill that I have created has all the details. Through it, give it more context based on your background, your experience, the projects that you are handling, and ask Claude to make your own skill. Let's copy this and I will show you what I'm talking about. I am sharing one skill with you. Now, the job that you have is to go through the skill, use my recent context of the projects that I'm handling, my own experiences, my background. The goal create a video that will get maximum number of views, and I will get substantial growth for my YouTube channel. So please add context based on the projects that I'm handling, my experience, and then the cost should be very less. I am using vidIQ as a connector, but I don't want to use a lot of credits. Please modify based on what I have just said. The skill is generated. It feeded all the context about me, my previous job experience, my previous research, my previous projects, my interests, my skills. So you can do the same. You can edit it. Once this is done, once this is finalized, you can just go hit download and then go to settings, go to skills, upload a skill, say this one, and you can upload your skill. Now I'm not going to do that because I have already uploaded my skills based on the job experiences, portfolio, and projects that I have handled. But you understand my point. I think you got my point. I hope you got some value from the video. If you like it, please share some comments, subscribe to my channel, and wait for the next video.